Elevator ride. I'll press the button. Number 3. Number 3.
We're going up with Hoosier Safety ride today.
It's like midnight.
You hear that creaking?
We're
gonna die. We're on the Indiana Hoosier Safety. Yes, Hoosier Safety is on.
Expiration 2007. Number 1.
There you go before us. Oh, we're going back down.
We're going down. Where are we gonna go?
I thought we were gonna take the stair ride.
No stair ride. No stair ride. We're going back down on the elevator.
Going down.
Elevator ride. Elevator ride. Elevator ride.
I love us. Nobody can jump.
Where is Anita and Shaq? Not in the elevator.
You're not in the elevator ride. We're gonna experience the elevator ride. We're first.
We're out the door.
Ride.
Oh.
Now we're exiting the elevator ride.